right, hey guys. So, what I want to go through today is after you get everything set up and start sending your email campaigns, it is really important to track your progress, especially through Google. So, if you are sending through a domain, you actually have tools available to you through Gmail, through Google, to track your spam rate, to track your IP reputation, to track your domain. So that particular tool up here is called Postmaster Tools. You can Google it, or it's postmaster.google.com. So you need to own the actual domain, and you just add it, and they will ask you to somehow prove that the domain is yours, and away you go. So once you have it added, you can come in here and you can check. So this is actually one of our domains, but up here, we're checking spam rate. So since September 3rd, it looks to me like we got 0 spam. As you're sending cold emails, it's one of the things that you want to keep extremely low. So keep it as low as possible. Try not to send emails that people will just be so annoyed with that they want to click on the spam. Next thing you can check is IP reputation. So your IP address that you're sending from is very important. Excuse me. So how it works is this. So if you are sending from a Gmail address, your personal IP address will be associated with your Gmail address. So it's extremely important that you keep your IP address clean. So as we can see here, since September 3rd, I'm at 100%. It's high, green. So if I all of a sudden start sending, 10,000 emails today, and obviously the longer your reputation is clean and excellent, the better your chance of hitting the inbox is going to be. So it's extremely important you keep this in the green. You can supplement your reputation through our seed email program as well. So obviously when you have people out there pulling out your emails from spam and placing them in the inbox, that should offset any of the people that are actually marking your emails as spam. Does that make sense? So that's IP reputation. Domain reputation. So this is the actual domain. We want to keep this extremely high. And once again, the longer the reputation stays up here at high, the better. The better your chances of actually hitting the inbox are. You can look at feedback loop, delivery errors, all this fun stuff. But those are really the 3 major things you want to keep track of. You want to keep track of your spam rate. Make sure your spam is low. If one day you see your spam rate high, you want to lay off a couple days and not send your cold emails, and just kind of let it cool down. And then Gmail most of the time will loosen that up and allow you to send again. So that is Postmaster Tools, and we'll see you on the next round.